What comes to mind when you hear the word iconic? If you're a K-pop fan, you probably are thinking about us, fans of the band Icon, Iconics. In music, there are iconic artists, and in any other form of art, there are iconic pieces. Movies, there are iconic scenes or dialogue. If you love to travel, there are probably places that are on your bucket list and that you deem worthy for the hashtag travel goals. But what makes a cell phone iconic? Teka lang. I'm Coach Abby. I talk about tech, technique, skills, and software. And in this video, let's give the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G a shot at proving that it is indeed iconic. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G's design really stands out. The aluminum sides provide the strength it needs to be your daily driver, but this sexy back with this gorgeous eco leather material makes it stand out from the crowd. This aurora purple color provides a great contrast to the powerful camera lenses located at the back. The main camera boasts of 200 megapixels at f1.7 max aperture. An ultra-wide camera provides 8 megapixels at f2.2 max, and the third one is a 2 MP macro camera. The screen is a curved 1.5K AMOLED display that screams flagship levels of brightness and clarity. Perfect ito for reliving the iconic moments you captured on cam or just for streaming yung mga MV ng comeback ng inyong favorite music group. I really like the stereo speakers. It also provides a great gaming experience on the side. At talagang kayang-kaya niya ang gaming with the chipset and 12 gigabytes of RAM plus 512 gigabytes of ROM. Speaking of marathons, you can trust that there would be no disruptions because of the 5,000 mAh battery which you can fill up really quickly too kasi meron siyang hyper-fast charging capability. And in the box, included na rin itong powerful power brick, 120 watts maximum. That's awesome. One thing I love about Android phones is the ease of use, especially the on-screen fingerprint unlock. It's bothersome to have to use face unlock or a pin when in the middle of capturing iconic performances in the middle of a concert. This on-screen fingerprint, solid. Now, if you want to attend your first or your next concert for 2024, it would be a great time to harness the power of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G's cameras. Plus, the 5G connectivity would let me share the experience with our music-loving community really quickly. So be quick and grab the chance to pre-order this wonderful bang-for-buck and powerful phone. Keep your eyes peeled because it comes with a free Xiaomi Smart Band 8 during the pre-order period, and that is January 16 to 25. The official launch will be on January 15, but the first week of open sale will be January 26 to February 4. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I spent a good portion of last year attending concerts, traveling, and taking part in pop culture and lifestyle events. That is why I know what I need from a mobile phone, and it boils down to 3 things. Number 1, durable build. Open-air locations such as stadiums and concert grounds mean that my phone is exposed to the elements. Dust and rain are 2 major concerns which wouldn't be a problem for this phone. With its IP68 dust and water-resistant body, I can focus on the iconic memories and not worry about my phone. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection is also a good thing to have in case of mishaps. Tipong nabangga yung phone mo or naibagsak mo siya accidentally. Pero huwag naman tayong pa-fall, no? Ingat-ingat din. Number 2, I need detailed pictures. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G's camera maxes out at 200 megapixels. It also has optical image stabilization for video. This phone will ensure that I get clearer images that I could later on crop. Para sa post, pwede ko pa siyang i-zoom in para makita mismo yung bias ko in a group and even record great fan cams. Now, moving on to the last one, syempre, dapat merong enough juice sa tank. It has to have decent battery. The 5,000 mAh battery is great. But the clincher here is the super fast charging, which Xiaomi is really known for, and it's very reliable. Now that we talked about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, sana hindi ka na on the fence about checking out this new phone. Instead, on the ground na dapat tayo. The concert grounds, that is. Those are your Tech Tita's thoughts on this phone, and I'll see you sa next nating video.